Hi everyone, this is John Michaelson, your guide to business and estate planning in Nevada, and this is another Legal Minute. We wanted to follow up on some emails we've sent about a new law that started January 1st by the U.S. Treasury Department, or it's implemented by the U.S. Treasury Department, and the department within Treasury is called FinCEN, which stands for Financial Crimes Enforcement Network. This is a big deal because it affects every company in the United States. So you may not know this, but companies are actually set up under state law. So they're creatures of state law, but they still have federal requirements that they have to meet, and this is a big one. So here's some of their rationale for this. They will require most companies to provide personal information for each beneficial owner. The purposes, they say, are to assist with investigations surrounding money laundering and criminal activities, human trafficking, and tax evasion. So the idea is they claim that no one else will have access to this information, but everyone who's an owner or has substantial control, with some caveats that I'll explain, has to file this information. So if it's an existing company, you have a year to file. You have basically all of 2024. If it's a new company, you have 90 days to file. And generally speaking, again, there's a lot of details, a lot of regulations coming out, but basically it's if you're a 25% or more owner of the company, or you're deemed to have substantial control. So you could have no ownership, but you have substantial control, you probably have to comply with this. And what you have to supply to them is your full legal name, your date of birth, and your home address. You can't use a P.O. box. You have to give your home address, and they say they will keep this confidential. For those of you who are involved in a number of companies, you can also apply for what's called a FinCEN identification number, so that if you're involved in 20 companies, you can just provide this number instead of providing personal information to different groups and companies over and over again. So our Michaelson law will continue to keep you updated as developments come out, more regulations and implementation on this, but it's just something to think about for this year. And we wish you a happy new year. We hope things are going well for you and look forward to continuing to partner with you in your success.